HTML coding episode 3. Topics: marquee, paragraph, font size, color, background color, and other topic practical. Hello friends, I'm Kunal Singh Bhakuni and you are watching Basics with Kunal. Don't skip today's video as today we will learn much exciting topics and most we will do the practical. So without any delay, let's get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Like, subscribe, share and comment. Marquee. Make the text scrolling to left from right. You can see the code to write. First marquee on tag and marquee off tag, and in between we have to write the text. And then after paragraph tag, it defines the paragraph. First paragraph on tag, then off tag. Same as font size and color. First font size. Here you can see used to set text size and color. Font size. Here we will write the size. If suppose we want to set the size of 19, we will write 19 and then save and refresh it. And then we will put the font off tag. After it you can see for font color, it's first font color. Here we have to write the color where color is written, and then font off tag and between the text. Now the last background color. To apply a background color, it is used to set background color. The code is body background color, body BG color. Here we have to write BG. BG means background color. So body BG color then equals to opening quotes, and here the color of background you want to put, and then close the tag. So let's start our practical now. So now you can see I have opened my notepad. Here I have written the main format and I have told it to you on episode 1, discussed about this. So now our first topic, you can see, makes the marquee. I have saved this by the name ep3 dot I have put in the extension .html, then written the main code format. Now let's get started with our practical. Here you can see this is the browser screen. There I have nothing written here, so it's coming black. So if I go in the notepad, and now let's see our first topic. It's marquee. Marquee help us to scroll the text from right to left. For example, if first we will write the text here, like welcome to Basics with Kunal. Okay, so you can see I have written like this. After it, I want to put the marquee tag here. Open greater than tag, then type marquee, close and then closing tag. And now you can see I have written welcome to Basics with Kunal, and let's get saved it and see. You can see how it's getting scrolled on the screen from right to left. It's it must be a interesting topic. When I also get to learn about this, I also got a bit interest on this. Now our next topic is paragraph tag. In the body we'll introduce a paragraph. Let's close it. It's used to write paragraph. Suppose I am writing something like a paragraph. I am writing anything, or I will copy paste it. Now you can see I have copied a whole paragraph, and now it's paragraph of tag. And suppose again I'll introduce paragraph tag, then again close it. Now here let's paste again. Now let's save it. You can see they are coming in 2 lines. Without we have used br tag, we have not used br tag, but we are getting the results because we have used the paragraph tag. And after that we have topic, font size and color, and background color. Let's get started with background color. You can see I have opened the notepad file. So now to introduce background color, I will put an opening greater than sign and then write body space pg color equals to, suppose I want to put the color as khaki, then close the quotes. This. Now let's try to save and refresh, and nice. You can see how the background color is changed. Now it's for font size and color. Suppose I do not want to use the font as headings in the head tag, so I can write font size equals to, suppose 15, like this, and after that close the font. Now let's I have saved it and refresh it. You can see the size of text here. Now it's time for font color. Suppose I want here like red, so font color equals to red. Let's save it here. After that I'm putting the font of tag here. Let's save it. Now it's changed to red. You can see these are very interesting topic, and I have told these on the episode 3 on itself. We have done all the topics: marquee, paragraph tag, font size and background color very fast. So we are at the end of our episode. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe, share and comment on my channel. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share and comment.